Hello friends, welcome to Infinity. Do you know that the mystery behind Bermuda Triangle has been solved? How many creepy stories about the disappearing of airplanes and ships in the Bermuda Triangle have you heard? I guess a whole bunch. It is a large area in the Atlantic Ocean between Florida, Puerto Rico and Bermuda. This region is notorious for its mysterious phenomena. Huge amounts of ships and planes have disappeared here. Its second name is the Devil's Triangle. All those mythical vanishes happened under unknown and unexplained circumstances. Some of the planes and ships have never been found. There have been many theories about why it all occurs in that area, starting from water spouts to aliens and even sea monsters. But these are only theories. Reports go back to 1945 when five American torpedo bombers and a plane that was sent to find them vanished without a trace. Since then, another 75 aircraft and several hundred ships have been lost. The latest tragedy happened in 2015 when the cargo ship El Faro disappeared in the region. El Faro was a US vessel traveling from Florida to Puerto Rico. It disappeared from the radars on the 1st of October 2015 and was found wrecked on the bottom of the ocean on the 31st of October. Another big incident happened on the 20th June 2005 when the first Piper PA aircraft disappeared in the Bermuda Triangle. There were 3 people on the board. The second incident happened on the 10th April 2007 when one of the Piper PA airplane disappeared near Berry Island. There was only one pilot on board without any passenger. Neither planes have never been found. There were small incidents as well. A luxury cabin cruiser with craft that belonged to Barack, who owns a popular hotel as well, went along the shore of Miami together with his father to enjoy the beauty of Christmas lights in 1967. After some time, the shore guard got a call from Barack, who said that his vessel hit something and asked for towing. When the guard arrived at the place after 20 minutes, they couldn't find anyone. Barack and his father were vanished forever. Many stories and wailing around this area, but now finally the mystery behind the Bermuda Triangle might have been solved. At least that's what a Science Channel show claims. A team of American scientists from the University of Colorado analyzed satellite weather images of the mysterious area and noticed a series of unusual hexagonal clouds on them. The meteorologists theorized that these clouds might act like air bombs. It's believed that they are the main cause of the deadly blasts of air, which can easily exceed 170 miles per hour. These hurricane force winds literally blow up the air and can generate waves of more than 45 feet in length. No ship can survive from such a storm, and no aircraft can withstand such a wind. Clouds don't typically form straight edges. However, judging by the satellite images, the Bermuda Triangle is an exception to this rule. The announcement of this theory has motivated a lot of further research. Scientists from all over the globe are trying to figure out what the reasons for such anomalies are. Do you know any Bermuda Triangle stories? Do you have another theory for all those abnormalities? Share them in the comment. So today, if you have learned something new and different, give a like to the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you don't miss my latest videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.